Today I'm going to show you how to get many invoices using Zoho CRM in N8N in a quick and simple workflow. This is a really useful setup if you want to pull invoice records into your automation, review multiple invoices at once, or use invoice data in other steps of your workflow without having to manually copy anything over. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more N8N automation tips just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open the workflow you want to work on inside N8N. Make sure you're in the correct automation because the node you add will connect directly into that specific workflow. Once your workflow is open, look over to the Nodes panel. This is where N8N lets you search for and add the service you want to use. From the Nodes panel, choose Zoho CRM. You can either type it into the search bar or browse until you find it. After selecting Zoho CRM, you'll see the available actions for that node. At this point, choose Get Many Invoices. This is the option that allows you to retrieve multiple invoice records instead of just one. It's the right choice when you need a batch of invoices for reporting, processing, filtering, or passing into another tool later in the workflow. Next, you'll configure what to get. This is where you define exactly which invoices N8N should pull from Zoho CRM. Depending on your setup, this can include the specific fields you want returned, any filters you need, or other options that control the invoice data coming back into the workflow. Take a moment to review the settings carefully so the node retrieves the exact invoice information you need. Once that is configured, you're ready to move on and use the invoice results in the rest of your automation. And that's it, you've now set up Zoho CRM in N8N to get many invoices. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.